morning, everybody. Lots of love to you all. Our first card is a number card 222. It's balance. Now is the time to take inventory of your feelings. Are there any feelings of imbalance or resistance? Divine whispers are here to remind you that the alignment that you seek is also seeking you. Breathe, rest, and reset within yourself. You're moving away from things that don't align with you to more peaceful area in your life. It is time now to let go. We are letting go, and this is our destiny. Things have to fall away. We're waking up to the truth of things around us, and there's been a lot of heartache, but soon we're going to all celebrate. Your life is about to start moving quickly. So, in some areas, events that seem to have been on hold suddenly propel forward. Move with the flow and be mindful of what needs your attention most. Make decisions rationally but sensibly. That's the forward moving card with confidence and trust and faith. The Wasp Spirit says sometimes life does sting. And there's something that we didn't know is coming our way, but it's bringing freedom. And we need to trust our higher self. It's all for our higher selves. It's going to be great. The solution is the moon, the opportunity to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face your fears and grow stronger. The star card is the card under that, and it says brightness, but it could also bring excess. So be careful, don't get greedy. The cat spirit says claim your independence. Everything starts from within you, and your life will get better and balanced, and you'll even have more. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. Love you all.